If you're planning to install new windows in your home in Sumter, you're probably excited about the potential energy savings, improved curb appeal, and enhanced comfort. However, before your new windows arrive, there are a few key steps you can take to prepare your home and ensure the installation process goes smoothly. Whether you're replacing existing windows or adding new ones, a little preparation can make the installation faster, safer, and more efficient. Clear the area around the windows. One of the first things you should do is clear the space around the windows that will be replaced or installed. Move any furniture, decorations, or other items away from the window areas to allow easy access for the installers. The less clutter around, the quicker and more efficiently the installers can work. Don't forget to protect any floors or carpeting nearby with drop cloths or plastic sheeting to prevent any dust or debris from causing damage. Secure valuables and fragile items. Window installation often involves vibrations, which can cause things to shake or shift around. If you have valuable or fragile items near the windows, consider moving them to another room or at least securing them in a safe spot. Artwork, mirrors, or glass items on nearby shelves should be relocated to avoid potential damage. Notify your family or housemate. If you live with others, make sure everyone is aware of the upcoming window installation. This includes informing them of the specific date and time, so they can plan accordingly. If you have children or pets, it may be a good idea to keep them in another part of the house or have them stay with a friend or family member for the day. This helps avoid any distractions for the installation crew and ensures the safety of your loved ones during the process. Trim any outdoor obstacles. For the best window installation experience, the crew may need to work outside your home as well. If there are shrubs, trees, or vines near the window openings, take the time to trim them back. This helps installers have better access to the exterior of your windows and minimizes the risk of damaging your plants or landscape features. If possible, move any outdoor furniture, planters, or other objects that might be in the way. Prepare for noise and dust. Window installation is not a completely quiet process. The removal of old windows, especially if they are older or sealed tightly, can create significant noise. You might also experience some dust as old frames are taken out and new ones are installed. If you have any sensitive electronics, cover them with a cloth to protect them from dust. Additionally, you can plan ahead by making alternate arrangements, such as using ear protection or staying in a quieter area of the home. Plan for temporary disruption in your home. During the installation, there will likely be some temporary disruption to your daily routine. Depending on the scope of the project, there may be areas of your home that are inaccessible, or the installers might need to temporarily block off certain parts of your home for safety reasons. If your windows are being replaced in stages, some parts of your house may be exposed to the outside elements for short periods. It's helpful to plan ahead for these disruptions by making sure you have a comfortable space to retreat to, especially if the weather is particularly hot, cold, or rainy. Keep pets safe. pets can get anxious or curious during a window installation. The noise and movement can be overwhelming for them, and the open windows might present a safety risk. If possible, keep your pets in a separate area of the house or have them stay with a friend or family member until the installation is complete. This will ensure both your pet's safety and the installer's ability to focus on their work without distractions. Be ready to communicate with the installers. The window installation crew might have questions or need clarification about your preferences, such as how you want the windows to be positioned or if there are specific installation requirements. Make sure you are available to answer any questions and provide any final details before the work begins. Communication is key to ensuring that everything goes according to your expectations. Final thought: preparing your home for window installation in Sumter doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require some effort. By clearing the area around the windows, securing valuables, preparing for some noise and dust, and making sure your family and pets are safe and comfortable, you can help ensure that the installation process is as smooth and stress-free as possible. With a little preparation, you'll be able to enjoy your new windows and the many benefits they bring to your home.